Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a super quick way to finish the one of the daily quests in Heartopia. Catch common blue butterfly like this. Sometimes the daily quest asks you to catch a specific insect, and today mine is this one. But don't worry, it's actually very easy. First, the common blue butterfly can be found in the central area or central park. It appears all day and any weather like this, sunny, rainy, and rainbow, so you don't need to wait for a specific time. So just go to the central park, and then next just equip your box net tool like this and walk around the area until you successfully catch the common blue butterfly like this. Just catch it carefully like this. And that's it, the daily quest will be complete. So whenever you get a mission to catch a specific insect, just check the locations and time in the collections, and it's usually very fast to finish. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.